So this is one of the hottest topic that has been going on for a couple of years, and everybody is asking, can AI actually replace technical writers? In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts, and I also want you, by the end of this video, to share your thoughts in the comments. So here's the big question. Can AI really replace technical writers? Now, here are the things that AI can do. AI is a powerful assistant for technical writers, from drafting docs and summarizing complex informations. And AI tools are reshaping how content gets created and delivered. Now, these are the things AI can do. AI can draft for you a documentation. When you prompt it, it can draft for you something. And it can also help you summarize a particular documentation. And then also, if your documentation is not so clear or you have an old documentation, AI can improve the clarity of that particular documentation, and it makes the work 10 times faster and more doable if you're using AI, and more easier. Now, these are the things AI still struggles with: the human expertise. That is the part AI struggles with. Now, AI does not know what your users for that particular documentation need. AI does not know the right questions to ask when when it requires a human. You know, if someone gives you a challenge, you know exactly what to ask that person. AI still struggles with that. And then also, judgmental calls. This is basically the tone, the depth, and the context. An audience is deeply a human skill. These are the parts I think that AI still struggles with. But here is my take. AI is really an amazing tool, and as technical writers, I think most of us are already adapting, or most of us have already adapted to using AI as their assistant while getting the job done. And I think that AI is just gonna change how we work, how we approach the work. And technical writing is evolving every single day, and it makes the work much more easier for a human being to do. And then writers become more productive. It's easy to handle repetitive tasks, and then also easy to get the work done more faster. So I think this is what I think. AI is simply going to change the way we work, the way we do our work, the way we approach the work. But let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think that AI is going to take your job? Do you think that AI is going to replace the technical writers? Let me know. I think it would be an interesting topic to discuss. So leave a comment and let's chat.